Hello, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to reset your WordPress website in Hostinger step by step. Go to your H-panel dashboard. Click on Websites from the left side menu. Find the WordPress website you want to reset and click Edit WordPress. This will take you to your WordPress dashboard. To confirm your current site, hover over your site title at the top and click Visit Site. This is the website we're going to reset. Now go back to the WordPress dashboard. From the left menu, hover over Plugins and click Add New Plugin. In the search bar, type WP Reset. When the WP Reset plugin appears, click Install Now, then click Activate. After activation, hover over Tools in the left menu and click WP Reset. Scroll down to the Site Reset section. Before resetting, you can create a backup by clicking Create Snapshot. This allows you to restore your site later if needed. Once the snapshot is created, scroll down again. Now type Reset in the confirmation field. Click Reset Site, then confirm by clicking Reset WordPress. Your website will now reset back to default WordPress settings. And that's how you reset your WordPress website in Hostinger. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials.